Hey YouTube, today is ticket number 4 of my 5-part series for my $20 money explosion top prize of $1 million. This ticket has a white line at the bottom. So can you see it? It's right there. So this is what everybody's talking about, the white line at the bottom. So let's see if this ticket is going to take me to the lottery headquarters today. All right, let's get the scratching. Okay, match 2 like prizes in this bonus area and you win that prize. So I see $100 and 50, so nope. Okay, this is my money explosion number, which is 30. If this number is down here, then I win all 30 prizes on this ticket. Okay, so let me get the winning numbers. These are my winning numbers. Okay. So my winning numbers are 21, 17, 38, 10, and 26. So let me see if I can find these numbers. So far, not a winner. Okay, still not a winner. Wouldn't that be cool if I win the top prize on camera? Okay. Oh, I have a 38. Yes, so this is panning out to be a winning ticket. Let's see. The GT. Don't know what that means. Is that like 30 something? 14, 38. Oh, I get it. Got it. So I have a matching 38. Oh, I have a matching 10 as well, too. Okay, awesome. Let's see. So I have the 10. I have the 38. 56. Do I have that? Nope. 14. Nope. And 23. Nope. So let me keep scratching. So this ticket so far is panning out to be a winner. I'm excited. Okay. So I have 47, 7, 40, 39, and 15. 39 is one off from 38, so that's not going to help me. But I just like to say it. Okay, moving on. This is a 12, 11, 15, 19, 24, and 44. I'm so excited. I'm messing up. So there's a 21, which is a backwards. What I have a 12 is backwards of 21, 11, 19, 24, and 44. No winning numbers on this line. 26. Oh, I have a 26. Okay, 8. No. A 36, I do not have. 18, I do not have. I have a 1 off. And the last dollar sign is a 23. I do not have that. All right, so let me reveal my prize. So let's see where they were. I have a 38. I see some small zeros through what I've... So this is probably going to be like a $50 ticket. That's 20 bucks. That's $30, so that's $50. So where's my other winning number? So far I won $50, 38, and a 10. Thought I had a 26. Yep, 26. Okay, so this is 50, so it's probably going to be 100. Yes, indeed. It is 50 bucks. So I have 50, the number 26 for $50, 38 for $20, and a 10 for 30. Yay, I'm so excited. So I just won $100. So I made back the money. Well, I'm still in the hole. I'm going to scratch this prize check box at the bottom and scan it off camera. So I get to hit my This is a $100 prize. So the white line did pan out to be true in this scenario. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this.